This hard-to-find treatment is a staple here at Elite Health Online. HCG is taken by sub-Q injection biweekly. During testosterone replacement therapy, the hypothalamus begins to reduce its production of gonado-tropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, which in turn causes the pituitary gland to stop releasing LH. Because of the reduction in LH, the testicles begin to produce far less testosterone, and they start shrinking in size and volume. This condition is called hypogonadism. By supplementing testosterone replacement therapy with HCG, men can augment the amount of testosterone in the body without risking infertility or hypogonadism. Men often experience enhanced libido on HCG due to increased LH-FSH production. Click Add to Cart now to get started. Our expert providers will review your medical records and process your request. Medication typically arrives at your door within 72 hours of processing. And if you're not yet a patient, click on Book Appointment now to get started. At Elite Health Online, our prices include medication, supplies, and shipping. Patients never pay for labs or telehealth visits.